Hello mga loves! For today's video, gagawa tayo ng chicken seaweed rolls. I saw it in YouTube, matagal na. Gusto ko song gawin. Ngayon ko lang talaga siya nagawa. For a change naman, diba? Because we usually make lumpiang Shanghai. And why not try this one? Right? Nilagay ko na lahat ng mga ingredients dyan. And the measurements also para masundan nyo. Ayan, pinaghalo-halo ko na lahat ng mga ingredients. Chicken, onion, garlic, carrots, salt, paprika, black pepper, and I add also an oyster sauce to make it more tastier. And I add 2 eggs and 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Ayan. Pinaghalo-halo ko lang siya. Yan, I mix it para mahalo lahat ng mga ingredients. Yan. And nag-prepare na rin ako ng butter mixtures dyan for coating mamaya sa rolls. 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of corn flour. I mix with enough water to make it smooth, thin, not too thick, okay? And I set aside. Ayan. And ayan na yung mixture ng chicken. And ayan pala yung ginamit kong nori sheets. So, I spread the portion of chicken mixture evenly. Ayan. And I roll it tight like sushi. Ayan. And sa dulo, nilagay ko lang yung butter mixture to seal the edge. Ayan. 5 rolls lang ang ginawa ko dyan. Kasi 2 lang naman kami. So, I cut into 4 pieces. Nagpainit na rin ako ng oil for frying. Ayan, dinipry ko siya until golden brown. And dip with any kind of sauce what you want. Enjoy! Thank you for watching!